We're from the Maryland Center for School Safety, and today we are going to talk about school and student safety, as well as a very important program called Safe Schools Maryland.
We've all heard the term school safety, but what is school safety? That's a very important question. In order to talk about school safety, we first have to define it. MCSS defines school safety as freedom from the risk of injury, danger, or loss at school or in a manner related to school. We had to phrase it this way because we know that school can be in person or virtual.
But why is school safety important? We know that a safe school environment allows students to feel happy, safe, and comfortable. And when students feel this way, it is easier for them to focus and learn. A safe school environment also allows students to be more productive in school, in extracurricular activities such as sports or clubs, and at work if they hold a part-time job, as well as at home and in the community. Being in a safe school environment allows students to interact more positively with peers, teachers and staff, family, and the community as a whole.
What would you do if you were faced with this situation? Here we have a scenario. A 10th grader named Vixen created a survey to get other students' opinions on the worst appearance, intelligence, clothing, and more of other students in their class. Vixen used the school-issued computer to send the survey to many other students with a link to complete the survey. Several students took the survey, but were upset at the idea of the survey and the questions being asked. They thought it was mean to say these things about others, so they voted for themselves to avoid hurting anyone's feelings.
Vixen then took the survey results, made them into graphs, and posted the results to social media, again using her school-issued computer. When the students with the most votes saw the results, they were upset, and at least one of the students was crying. What is wrong with what Vixen did? How would you describe this behavior?
There are many problems with this scenario. First, this could be considered a form of bullying or cyberbullying, which we know does not create a safe school environment. By using the school-issued computer, this situation demonstrates a misuse of school-issued technology. Because the results were posted to social media and the content is related to bullying, there is a misuse of social media. The situation overall upset several students, causing depression, anxiety, and an inability to focus on school, friends, or activities.